First is, meron kaming international publisher ngayon, which is Total Publishing. They want to help us release the book worldwide. Is a big deal. Hindi ako tatanggi dyan. Pangalawa ay dahil nakikita ko na bumabalik na sa normal lang lahat. Pwede ka nang mag-in-person ng mga meet and greet, ng mga book signing. Yun talaga yung importante sa akin kasi gusto ko magawa ko yung promotion ng maayos. Siguro yung mga decisions niya when it comes to love, may mga pagkakamaling mangyayari. Ako hindi kasi ako ganun. At nung nagko-compete ako, wala rin akong boyfriend. So that way, hindi kami pareho. Hindi ako relate sa kanya. Alam din naman natin na nangyayari talaga yan sa pageants where some relationships don't really last because of how demanding the job is. It takes time away from your family and friends. I wish she would be proud of me and us. It's a story about a girl who really has a dream, wants to prove herself to her dad sa ginagalawan